Everyone loves tile until this happens. You pick it out, you think it looks amazing, you think you just designed this spa-like oasis and you're so excited, and then 6 months down the line, you're scrubbing tile, scrubbing grout lines on a Saturday, thinking to yourself, why did I get myself into this?
This is the worst!
But to be honest with you, it's not actually the tile's fault. It's actually the grout. The grout is what causes all this mold, mildew, stains, and headaches. And it doesn't have to be this way. That's why a lot of people are switching to wall panels like these. No grout, no scrubbing, no weird science experiments living in the corners of your shower.
Right, let's try and describe you.
It's simple to clean, you just wipe it down, and then you're off to go. If you want to learn more, you can check out our website at InnovaShowers.com or give us a call at 877-668-5888. Thanks so much.